Do you know how an elephant's body stays organized while facing heat, thirst, and constant physical strain? With structure established, the story moves inward towards smaller working units. These units work together, maintaining life. Energy is stored and released as needed. Energy now supports structure and movement systems. Joints distribute pressure evenly. This reduces damage during long standing or walking. Ligaments hold bones aligned. They prevent collapse under heavy body mass. Inside elephant tissues, tiny cells act as basic workers. They keep all larger systems alive. With support secured, the body can safely generate controlled movement. Each cell holds specific jobs. Cells are shaped differently to support muscle, blood, nerve, or skin. Some cells stretch and contract. Other cells carry air, food, signals, or protection. Cells share borders, passing water. They pass salts and messages to keep conditions steady. When heat rises, cells adjust activity speed. Cells adjust speed to prevent damage and conserve energy. During hunger, stored materials inside cells release slowly. This release supports vital organs. Every cell depends on oxygen delivery. Cells also depend on waste removal to continue normal work. Cell failure in one area can spread stress signals. Signals move through nearby tissues to prevent collapse. Cells follow shared rules controlling growth. They also control repair and replacement. Inside this massive body, many systems align quietly. These systems work together, maintaining balance. Balance is maintained during constant environmental pressure. This cellular teamwork forms the foundation. It supports all higher systems under strain. Inside the elephant body, fast messages travel constantly. These messages link distant organs together. Nerve paths carry quick electrical signals. Signals move from brain centers to muscles and glands. Chemical messengers move slower. They spread through fluids to adjust long-lasting changes. These signals tell organs when to speed up. They also signal when to slow down or conserve resources. During danger, communication shifts priority. Priority moves toward breathing, movement, and heart activity. Signals travel through protected routes. These routes are shielded by tissue and fluid layers. If one signal fails, backup systems respond. Chemical messages help maintain basic coordination. Clear communication allows systems to act together. This prevents competition for resources. The elephant body constantly collects information. Information comes from its surroundings. This collection uses many sensors. Skin receptors sense heat. They also sense pressure and touch across a wide surface area. Inside, stretch sensors watch organ fullness. They also monitor blood flow and breathing depth. Chemical sensors track oxygen levels. They also track water and salt levels in blood. These sensors send steady updates for processing. Updates move into the communication network. During dehydration, internal sensors detect thicker blood. They also detect lower fluid volume. Information from outside and inside combines. This combination guides system adjustments. This sensing system prevents sudden surprises. It detects slow environmental shifts early. Thick skin surrounds layers of muscle. It also surrounds bones, vessels, and nerves. These layers form a stable inner map. Accurate intake of information prepares the body. Preparation supports gas exchange demands. Air enters through wide nasal passages. It moves slowly toward deep lung spaces. Large lungs expand within the chest. Expansion allows oxygen to pass into nearby blood. Oxygen binds with blood cells. This binding prepares energy delivery across the body. Slow breathing matches the elephant's size. This reduces water loss during exhalation. During heat stress, breathing rate increases slightly. This increase releases excess warmth. Strong chest muscles control airflow. They do not tire easily over long periods. Efficient gas exchange supports cell work. This support continues during walking or heavy lifting. Each system occupies defined regions. This prevents crowding while supporting movement. Breathing and circulation work together. The elephant body moves supplies using long vessels. These vessels spread through every tissue layer. Arteries push oxygen-rich blood outward. This occurs using strong, steady heart contractions. Veins return used blood slowly. Return is guided by valves and muscle pressure. Tiny vessels reach each cell. They allow exchange of gases, food, and wastes. This network adjusts flow direction. Adjustment depends on temperature, activity, and urgency. During walking, blood shifts toward muscles. The body functions as one system. The blood inside an elephant carries more than oxygen. It transports water, salts, food signals, and heat. Thick blood volume stabilizes pressure. This stability holds despite massive size. Blood cells protect against infection. They also repair damaged vessel walls. Plasma fluid cushions cells. This allows smooth movement through narrow vessels. During dehydration, blood thickens. Thickened blood slows flow to conserve water. When cooling is needed, blood shifts toward skin. This shift releases excess heat. Clotting factors stay ready to seal injuries. Injuries may occur from rough terrain contact. This circulating medium acts as transport. It also controls internal balance. Heavy bones create a protective frame. This frame protects soft organs. Protection prevents pressure and sudden shifts. With circulation active, energy intake becomes possible. The body can now receive energy from outside sources. Food enters the elephant body through a strong mouth. The mouth is built for heavy plant intake. Large teeth grind food early. This reduces strain on deeper digestion. Saliva wets food. It begins breakdown and eases movement. Food passes safely through the throat. The trunk guides food carefully. The trunk controls intake speed and portion size. Swallowing muscles move food toward the stomach. They do this without blocking airflow. This intake system handles large volumes. It also protects breathing pathways. Steady intake timing prevents overload. Sensors in the mouth adjust chewing. Adjustment depends on food hardness and dryness. Early preparation makes nutrients usable. Deeper inside the body, digestion continues. Internal processes work continuously. Helpful microbes break tough fibers into simpler forms. These forms can be used by the body. Nutrients pass through intestine walls. They enter the blood for wide distribution. Water is reabsorbed carefully. This prevents excess loss in hot environments. Waste separates gradually. It moves toward removal without disturbing absorption. Digestion speed adjusts based on food type. Digestion also adjusts based on heat and activity level. This process converts large meals. Meals become steady energy supplies over time. This internal organization keeps systems coordinated. Every system knows its place. Coordination happens before function begins. Absorbed nutrients feed energy-making systems. Inside cells, nutrients combine with oxygen. This combination releases usable energy slowly. This energy supports movement and heat control. Energy also supports repair and internal communication. Excess energy stores as fat. Fat protects against long food shortages. Muscle tissues store small energy reserves. These reserves are available for quick use. Energy release rates adjust. Adjustment depends on activity and environmental stress. During walking, energy use increases steadily. This increase avoids sudden spikes. Heat produced from energy release maintains temperature. Balanced energy handling prevents exhaustion. This balance holds despite constant load. Do you know how an elephant body stays organized while facing heat, thirst, and strain? Inside elephant tissues, tiny cells act as basic workers. They keep all larger systems alive. Cells stretch and contract as needed. Other cells carry air, food, signals, or protection. Cells share borders, passing water and salts. They pass messages to keep conditions steady. Muscles need constant energy support. During rest, blood flow favors digestion. It also favors repair and storage processes. Transport paths remain open despite size. This prevents blockages from pressure buildup. Waste products travel back toward lungs. They also move toward kidneys and skin for removal. During stress, this layout allows fast response. Response happens without systems blocking each other. This delivery network keeps distant regions connected.